Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to add an Esim now. First, confirm the S23 is unlocked, updated, and connected to Wi-Fi because activation often requires download. Once done, sign into your Samsung account and backup settings to avoid lost profiles. Next, open Settings, tap Connections, then SIM Manager. Choose Add Mobile Plan and use the camera to scan the carrier QR or enter the activation code manually. This starts the secure download and prepares the phone to After scanning, the carrier profile downloads and installs. Be patient and keep the phone connected to Wi-Fi because interruptions can fail provisioning. You'll see the new profile listed. Tap it to assign a label like Work or Travel and select whether it should be your primary data or voice line. This matters for billing and app behavior. Also adjust roaming options if you plan to travel. Make sure to set the preferred SIM for messages and calls. These choices determine which plan is used by default. Finish by restarting the S23 to solidify settings, then place a test call and browse to confirm data and SMS work. Check carrier signal bars and the eSIM name in SIM Manager. Only remove a physical SIM after confirming the eSIM is active and handling calls if you plan to replace it. If something goes wrong, try toggling airplane mode, restarting again, or resetting network settings. If activation still fails, confirm the QR/code, IMEI with your carrier, and ask them to reissue the eSIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.